Open your spirit so that you know go in the spirit. Yeah, you open the spirit. Egwu eji obi anụ, ọ bụrụ egwu eji ntị anụ, egwu ndị mmụọ. Facebook, take notes. I do not own the right to this music. I'm using it for my teaching. Maka na ofu mbọsị anyị egekwa n'egwu aruo ya n'isi. Ọ bụrụ na abụ m onye Imo, abụ m onye Anambra, abụ m onye Abịa, Igbo bụ Igbo, Igbo ekene m. Igbo ndị ọma ekene m. Adị m ekene Anambra steeti, adị m ekene Imo steeti, adị m ekene Abịa steeti, Enugu steeti ma ọ bụ Ebonyi steeti. Ana m ekene Igbo. Ife abụrụ egwu ndị Ọhafịa, abụrụ egwu ndị Abịa, na egwu ndị Igbo. Egwu a na-agụ ma Hausa bụ ọka tupu Hausa bụ ọka ma Hausa bụ ọka. Egwu eji ama ndị bụ ndị. Bụrụ egwu nya ikunye nnọọ bụrụ na ị na-agụ egwu. You listen to the sound. No. You don't listen to the sound, you listen to the words. When you listen to the words, you listen to the lyrics. You got ife na-eme na ya. Tupu ị bịa gebe the sound. Egwu ndị Igbo, egwu ndị okenye, egwu ndị egede, egwu ndị mbụ. Ihe nji akụ egwu anụ anyị n'anya most of my live videos, ana m akụ egwu ndị Igbo. Egwu kings and queens. Egwu gods. The gods. The gods nke Igbo, nke ndị isi ojii, ndị isi ha gbara kpụrụkpụrụ ka nke m si wee gbaa kpụrụkpụrụ. The gods. Other people who dress well, who who package dressing, people who cover up. We are Igbos who don't cover up. We don't cover our body. This is the music of men. Like I said, one of these days, as a one in minute that loves your match, you just a one in quo. Oh, you put to room. Oh, you put your way and ya. Oh, and share your choir stamp. Or Kowarunia. But I don't want half your cob. Manezu. Oh, ya had Jirunia. Una water why. Miri you wear by a ichele. Abura affair to ye too. Abura half your what I no co sissy. Abura half your jelly day where jette. Makina my size, I want to fed in here. I can't upon time, I can't wake up with you, what I don't want to fair. Manezu. If a man you wait, see a guatata. We one monagi. Can't imagine that I'm not going to saba noka. Now, again, I will go come mother me more. Permit me, I may not be speaking English this time. nwe ka mma nso oyibo bear with me maka na gịnị ihe a bụ ife metụtara anyị nke a bụ nke anyị Igbo so onwe m na masụrụ oyibo gbayalụ mma na-asụ Igbo zụta nka ngwakọ ya oyibo krọsụzi ya afọ ya bụrụ sorry. I want to talk to Igbo men and Igbo women just like I have been talking to Igbo men and Igbo women over the years. Ama m na na-ekwu ụfọdụ osi ha na ntị aba osi ha na ntị nke apụta ụfọdụ ọ na-efefe ụfọdụ ọ na-erufu ha so ọ na-esu ikuku kwufe mana mma na-ekwu nke m ka m na-eme o maka akwadorokwa m ịnọta ụwa na this world again so mma na-ekwu. Many are saying ndị ọcha mere anyị church brainwash. We are brainwashed in the church. We have been brainwashed. We have been doing this. We have been doing that. We've been doing that. Mana eziokwu. But the 99.5% of the brainwashing is in the food we eat, in what we eat. The first time I did this live video, a lot of my friends called me and said, most of this brainwashing is not in the church, because now we all know that church is a business center. It's a very big multi-billion-dollar business conglomerate. Sorry. Yotago. Ebesi we brainwash yani. But if I no, what we are eating, because yes, you have stopped going to church. Yes, everybody knows that you're no longer going to church. But you are still eating what you are not supposed to eat. Those ones are much more dangerous than church. If only when you go to church, you are still using toothpaste to brush. Why? Toothpaste. Engage says can I have water dispenser, bottled water. Contains chloride, and they tell you that chloride is so that your teeth will be white. It suppresses your abilities. Chewing stick at osisi, get their body. And they osisi mango emato. And you osisi guava emato. And you osisi ichaleku emato. And you osisi onubu akwonubu emato. And you hear that emato Eziani was clean. Ina one na krakataka krokotoko katakataka. Ina ato aki. That is the joy and the sweetness of it. Today, please, madam, I want soft meat. In not soft meat, are you 80 years? Look at our children from early. We start giving them immunization. Immunize against for the bone. Immunize. That is where you just destroy your child. I want to let you know today that the next generation is already dead. They are dead. The next generation is dead. Because your child must eat noodles. Noodles. We eat noodles. Okay? We eat all this, baby, my children, their teeth is so tender, their body is so tender, they don't eat this, so, okay, we don't eat that kind of things. My children, they are not used to eating apple. My children cannot eat apple. Man, they did not go in the village. I don't mind go for no. No for around for no money any common nonsense. I got it. Hey, if I find a little getting can SS. Getting can SS. Sema. Also, no common if I need nonsense. And it has to be soft. It has to be tender because their stomach. They can make it tender. All kind of terrible sickness and diseases are in Igbo land. Because I am so that they will know that my children, my sister will know that my children and her children are not the same. Haga no mama they read nonsense. No for breakfast. Do you know woman at school? Hey, madam, you want a rubber chicken? Now chicken in the arachota. I don't matter nonsense. So, they read nonsense because and they read nonsense. So now we that are eating Igbo food, we are nonsense. We that are eating well garnished food, we are nonsense. So what is it? Look at it. If you see a man who is 60 years in Igbo land now, this strong, let us thank God. Everywhere you go, see, Mamia, where is the father? Is dead. came to see me in US. My mother visited me. What about your father? Does he occur to you that one day it will be your wife and your children? You will not be alive. It never occurred to you that as your mother is standing now, enjoying you now, enjoying your family, enjoying everything you are doing, has it occurred to you that one day it will be your wife who will be standing there near your sons and your daughters? No, it doesn't enter your head. What you know is that what a woman shouldn't do, abomination. Hello. That is all. Give me that same name. That's OCC. White something. What you know is that a woman shouldn't hold this in. It's abomination. You cannot get that into your head. Hey, women are now single mothers. Women are feminism. That is the only thing that gets your mind. Why will a woman hold something like this? It's an abomination. She shouldn't say one and a watch, one and a neto, one and a neto. It's a sin. But your house is not in order. It's not in order. Open your house is not in order. Strangers will not come to Igbo land and clear us. We don't eat right. Ndị ugwu anụ anyị ọbụla na-eme asị na egburu efi. Mgbu efi 50, mgbu efi 30. Egbukwa m efi mbọsị nne m nwụ. Egbu m efi mbọsị nna m nwụ. Efi onye? Efi ndị ugwu. Onye ugwu ọ na-ata suya. But ọ na-eme suya. Ị na-ata. Inekata ebe ndị ugwu nọ ndị be ha butere ha nri. Ọ nwere onye ugwu na-esi nri anụ na-adị n'ime. Ask if I'm lying. Ha bute ndị ha na-eri eri. Anụ a na-adị n'ime nya nri onye ugwu na-eri. Mba. Ihe ata nke lọra nọ taa nke ndị aracha otu. Nekene ndị obodo nọ n'ime ya bụ ndị ofe mmanụ ndị Yoruba. Orie ntari emo o jiri ewedu nke a na-eji azịza na-esi. Onye ugwu a na-eyi okpu nna be enyi wee na-ara nwaanyị. Onye ode eyi okpu nna be enyi na-ara nwaanyị. You can never see a Yoruba woman that is barren. It's not possible. You can never see a Yoruba girl that is barren. It's impossible. You can never see them with sickness and gonorrhea. You will never see them. But Nabani, oh, a woman who has been married for 5 years, 10 years, that is a staunch member of church, that is a Ezine, that is in Tanimonoko, is yet to have a child after 10 years of marriage. Shameful thing. Ya ni no ano na ari ndị Igbo nke na-efefe nke na-ekwu ikwu nke na-anya mozu ono na ari ndị Igbo. Yet we have religion is in our head. We carry it, we pack it. We don't eat right. And you expect your children to be what? And somebody say my children don't eat beans. No mama dey apple, mama dey. Did you cook it? Did you start teaching them early? You didn't. So what do you expect? What do you expect them to do? Don't forget that children live by what they see, not what they hear. You are telling them to be this or that, and you are doing this or that. They will follow what you are doing. They will not follow what you are saying. Charity begins at home. Home is your life. You expect your children to hustle and make money and buy car. Did you? And we left our food. We are eating something else. Poison. Food that damages our body, our spirit, soul, and body. Food that have psychological effects on us. You see a woman of 35 years, she's so fat that you are scared of your life. She's so scared that you are. But the only thing she can know how to do is to bind any power holding my husband die. Eating what we are not supposed to eat. Yet a lot of people ask me, I say, why I want to do this, I want to be this, I want to speak to Ndiotum, I want to sing them mili, I want to. But when you tell them the simple thing to do, they look at it that this woman didn't make sense. What is she talking about? And then I can my money fend you. Niobonaga fend the wedding and party. You eat that kind of food. Some will eat and bring back to their children. Must you eat everything you see? Must you eat in every wedding you go to? Must you drink everything you see? I'm not saying drinking is bad on me. I go out, I flex once in a while. But you must enough and all, eta shawama, eta nka, yet, how many of you can fast? Igbos believe that when you fast, you are changing the mind of God. No, fasting does not change the mind of God. Fasting does not make things that is hard to become